Yo, Julian Edelman.
What's up?
What's for lunch?
Smash burgers. Come on, let's go. Almost dropped it. That would've been bad.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. We have an amazing guest. Julian Edelman is here, and we're making burgers. We're doing smash burgers.
Yeah. How's your burger?
I don't know. You're gonna tell me. I didn't know you're the smash burger expert. And you had a show which I can't find anymore called Burger Time. What happened to that?
I'm Julian Edelman, and this is Burger Time.
Yeah.
I was trying to do my research, see if I could find some tips, see how you like to make them, and not a single episode.
Nah, you know, when it's kind of like Batman of the burger community. You don't know where he's from, where he's at. He's hiding in the shadows, but he's always there.
He's always there.
He's always there.
This is what we're gonna do, because I have a fun way I'm gonna do mine. I want you to do your way, and we'll see. We'll split them in half. We'll try each other's. How about that?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
I'll be the executive chef. You cut.
All
You
right,
do the,
I like that. You tell me what you want chopped, and I'll do the sous chef. So we have.
I'll help with my burger.
We have our that's good beef there. I have some chuck, some short rib, a little bit of ribeye. So we have a good 80.
What's our fat content?
80-30.
80-30.
80-30, and I have this some magic.
80-30.
80-30. 30% fat, 80% lean. Or fuck, 70-30.
I was about to say, does that mean?
Dude, I didn't go.
I'm not a numbers guy.
I'm a cook.
I'm not a numbers guy, but I was doing it. That makes 110.
70-30, and I made
He's giving 110%, folks, at all times.
I made beef stock the other day, so this is the like the fat that came.
The
in.
lard.
So we're gonna put a little bit of that in. Are you a lettuce and tomato guy?
Nah, no, it's smash
All
burgers.
right.
Smash burgers, it's just like a sauce. I like raw onion, standard mustard and ketchup and onion. I want to go like straight McDonald's.
Simple. And you pickles guy? Any pickle in
Like
there?
pickles, I like to keep my pickles dill, American cheese standard.
Dude, you're speaking. I was worried because some people go lettuce, tomato, cheddar cheese. So I had everything ready.
Cheddar
but
cheese is only for barbecue sauce. That's only like.
I agree.
You can't put cheddar cheese on a regular burger. It
I
has to
agree.
be like a Western burger or some kind of barbecue sauce.
You hear that? You hear that, people? Thank you. Thank you. Someone's finally speaking the truth.
I like to usually do a 3-ounce patty and I double it up. Those look about 3.5. We'll let it slide. It's hard to fuck up a smash burger. Let me feel this meat. It's nice and meaty.
Some that are smaller. I'm not. You just saw me do math, so that's.
It's all right, Bubs.
There we go.
You always want to throw. Isn't that what they do at LSU? The old ladies, they roll up a bunch of meat and they throw it at the bus and they just say, "Tiger bait, tiger bait." That's pretty cool.
What was your favorite city if you're traveling for games? Like any city that you go, oh, I'm gonna eat well.
Honestly, in the NFL, it's a business trip. You don't really get to have time to explore. Brady would always get the linemen a catered spot. We had Lou Malnati's when we played Chicago, like the night before. Like he'll get that for the big guys. And then we usually have, like after the game, have like something specialty of the area. I don't know why, I think Denver was always, they had a nice hotel. Yeah.
What about home games? What was your pregame meal?
Pre-game was 2 chicken breasts. We were in a hotel, so it'd still be a meat sauce, but I would do it like brown rice.
Okay.
There'd be like these wings. I'd maybe take down like 2 wings.
Same every time? Same
Every
meal?
time.
Superstitious that way or just like it?
That's all they had.
Oh yeah?
No,
That's it.
guys are watching college football, eating, and that's where get ready to go prepare for the game.
Right.
And then after that, you have curfew. So the NFL's kind of weak
Damn.
with that. It's
I was
there's
thinking
too much
you'd have,
focus.
like something extra. What about Super Bowl? Any big Super Bowl pregame meal or is the same chicken
Same.
and rice? Chicken and rice?
Well, they have the same spread at at the same thing.
God damn.
It'd be a
All right.
teriyaki chicken, and it would be whatever.
What do you want for your burger sauce?
I'm gonna go mustard ketchup.
Boom. There's yours. And then for mine, I'm gonna do a little bit.
It's a secret sauce, huh?
We're going to the Far East.
Far East, sesame oil,
I'm doing a
some
little
chili
Asian,
pepper.
yeah. We're going Far East. We're going to China, Japan. I got some Kewpie mayo, a little richer, a little more sweet than regular mayonnaise. Some chili crisp, my favorite. Put this on everything. So it's a little bit of spice, just a dash of sesame oil. You like kimchi?
Yeah, it's all right.
All right, well, I'll put just a little bit. We're not gonna go crazy.
We already went to amateur hour, putting Far East stuff on a goddamn smash burger. I mean, it's cool. I think this is great. We're exploring other worlds.
I wanted to give you a taste of something else because if you eat the same damn thing every time, you're gonna get bored. What's the point of the show if you're not learning something?
I guess, Coach.
Come on,
I guess.
Let's get to making burgers here.
I'll bust in your balls.
I know. I can take it. Don't worry.
I hope you don't get all sensitive
Oh,
on
I'm not.
me.
No
This
worries.
big cat's sensitive still. I had to reschedule one time. Where are you from?
I'm from Minneapolis originally.
Awesome. There's actually really good food when we went to that Super Bowl.
Yeah, no, Minnesota gets slept on. It's a great food city. It's too bad it's fucking negative 30 degrees most of the year. You cook a lot?
I make the shit that my mom used to make for my kid. So I'd cook twice a week probably.
Not bad. That's a lot.
Yeah.
What kind of food?
We do Taco Tuesdays, like Gringo Boy tacos, you know, with the ground beef.
Yep. Lettuce, cheese.
sour cream. She likes to stuff bell peppers. I use like a beef,
Yeah.
a ground beef or a ground turkey, and I make like a pasta sauce. That's what she likes.
You ever do like tacos in a bag, like the Doritos? You cut it open, you crunch it up, and you put the beef on top, and then you have it all right there. No.
No, I haven't.
It's good for kids. Kids like that. Are you a big spice guy too?
I'm not. I don't want to like sweat. I like
Okay.
a little heat.
Nothing crazy though.
Don't ruin my day. And I grab my onions and I cook them in there.
Right on top.
And when it flips, then you get a little cooked, but you still get a raw.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Sorry, I'm making your.
No, it's all right. You can put that anywhere.
Teamwork makes the dream work, folks.
Yeah, I
Need a
got
little salt and pep on that.
How we looking here?
I think we're perfect on that.
That's what you want to see.
That's a chef right there. You gotta put your hand in danger.
Oh yeah.
Can't be scared of the skillet.
And you want to steam on that?
Yeah.
Smelt that cheese?
Yeah, smelt that bad boy. Pro move. To your right, chef.
There you go. Behind.
Behind. Sorry, chef. And that's it, boys and girls. I always cut my burger in half. It's just mean cheese. You can't go wrong. That's why smash burgers are just money.
I'm gonna go in sauce.
You see that beef? Good beef. Good
Only
mix.
the best for you, man.
That's a good mix.
You had to get that good mix.
I've been busting his balls. This guy's awesome. I think I need another bowl of sausage there, Bubs.
I mean, that's a smash burger. Look at that. Let's top that off.
That's a good looking burger, Bubs. We got the standard classic and then the Far East.
How's it doing?
Good. Let me try yours.
Get in there. Get in there. This one's messy. I'm sorry.
All right. Very good. 7-2. Thanks, Bub. Take a little.
I'm gonna take a
the
little
classic.
take a whack of the classic.
Call it the classic. Meat, cheese. You know, teamwork, man.
You can't go wrong,
Makes
man.
the dream work.
That's some good stuff right there. Julian, thank you for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
I appreciate it. Hey, I got one thing for you, actually.
What we got?
Since you like to cook and you're doing it at home, you gotta copy my cookbook. It's all easy recipes, nothing hard. If you've never cooked a day in your life, it's for beginners. So what pots and pans, what seasonings, and it builds up. So as you cook, it gets a little harder.
This is awesome. Thank you, man. I'll really use this, man. I cook twice a week, like I said. And it's always good to get ideas.
Appreciate you, dude.
Thanks you.
Thanks for coming on, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Fucking book. Let's go get the book. Thanks, Bubs.
Awesome. Thank you, dude.
Did anybody else try Donny's burger?
Professionally
So
in
good.
Greece.
Oh my God. Maybe the best I've ever had. He's such a good chef.
Is that